What is going on YouTube? It's Modern Day Mopar here, and this video is something that I've been wanting to do for a long time, and it is the 100 subscribers giveaway. And I know to some people 100 subscribers is not a lot, but to me, you know, I love every one of you guys. I appreciate every single one, every person that comes back to the videos. And yeah, hopefully, you know, our channel can grow a lot more, you know, and we can get a lot bigger and do some cooler stuff on the channel. But as of right now, we're at 102 subscribers, and you know, like I said, I appreciate every single one of you. There's gonna be a giveaway that I will be doing. It's gonna last about a week, and then I'll give more details on it towards the end of the video. But even though there's some good news at the start of this video, there's also some bad news. So it's something that I, you know, really didn't wish it would have happened, but it happened. I learned from it, and well, yeah, I mean, hopefully we can, you know, fix it and then move on and then get something better down the line. But I don't know how to start this video. I put on a splitter about a month ago. I don't know if you guys ever noticed it in the videos. I don't think I really showed off too much of it. It was more like I was gonna upload a video of me doing it, but I just didn't like the stuff that I recorded while I was installing it, so I just didn't end up, you know, uploading it. But I did install it. I followed a how-to step from the people that did sell me the splitter. And well, yeah, like I was on the freeway the other day, and I was racing a 911 on the freeway, and actually one of the rods just gave out, and then my splitter just got trashed. But it's still on the car. Nothing is wrong with the car. Like nothing, you know, happened to the car. It's just mainly the splitter. I checked under while I was at work during my break and at lunch, so I didn't see anything. But you know, we're gonna take apart the front bumper today, get it uninstalled, and then check out the damage. Hopefully there's nothing too major. I know one of the things that got damaged was I don't know if you can tell, but one of the clips in there is messed up because the splitter was pushing down so much when I was going maybe like over 100, and the splitter was pushing down so much on it that it pulled the side of the bumper. And I mean, maybe a clip is broken. I don't know yet if we can replace it, but if we can, hopefully we can get it done. But yeah, guys, this is the front splitter. You know, like I said, I'm pretty upset about it. I'm mostly annoyed at the fact that the rod, that's one of the rods right there, at the fact that this rod didn't hold up. And yeah, so the reason why I think it did, I know it didn't hold up, was because the bolt thing right here, like it has like a little bracket right here that goes connected to the rod, and then on that side, I don't know if you can see, this one's still on, and the one on top of here is still on. And then, so which leads me to believe that the rod just snapped on me. And when it snapped on me, I was going, like I said, I was going to maybe like 120. I don't know, I was going pretty fast, but the fact that it snapped on me is what annoyed me the most. I remember I pulled over in an exit, and I got out and I checked out the car, and I saw like you guys just saw right now, the splitter, and it was like that. It was completely trashed. And honestly, like it honestly annoyed me a lot, especially because when I installed it, it took me about 6 hours, and the fact that how much I paid for it, I paid about $300 for it. But yeah, I paid that much money for it to only last maybe about 3 weeks. So I contacted the people that I bought the splitter from. Haven't heard anything from them. Any, you know, feedback or why it could have happened, you know, nothing has happened so far. I check my email on a daily basis, and I have nothing from them. So I'm kind of annoyed too by the fact that they know the customer support, you know, lags on it a lot. I know I emailed them throughout the week, and it's already Saturday and nothing still. But yeah, that's the bad news of what happened to my splitter. So later on today, I'm having some boys come through, and we're gonna do a little bit of a barbecue just for a Saturday. Hopefully we can get it done. More than likely I'm gonna record it, but it's gonna be a separate video. This video I just wanted to talk about the giveaway and what happened to the splitter. Hopefully that video I'll record, and then, you know, us taking it off and stuff like that, and that will be uploaded hopefully tomorrow around. I'll try to get it done by 3. You know, hopefully I can. Sometimes I procrastinate a lot, but yeah, I'll try to get it out by 3 tomorrow, Sunday. But if not, for sure Monday. But yeah, guys, like I said, I'm pretty annoyed. You know, I'm still kind of annoyed especially because I like it with the splitter on. Without it, it just looks too plain. I am looking into buying another one, and this time buying some better support rods like made out of steel, and hopefully those can hold their weight more. Hopefully hold the downforce a lot more, because it is pretty annoying that happened. But anyways, enough about the annoying part. Now let's get to the good stuff, which is the giveaway. So for a while I was trying to brainstorm ideas of what to do for the giveaway, but I finally nailed it on the way home from work. I decided that I'm gonna be doing a Adams Polishes giveaway. You're gonna have 3 options available to you guys. So you can bring out my phone. It's nothing too crazy, but it's just something that I can afford right now to give back to you guys, just to show you guys how much I appreciate you guys. And let's see here. Option number 1 is Adams Standard foam gun with car shampoo, and I don't know if you guys can be able to see it, but it is a foam gun. It's about $50. Everything that I'm gonna be giving away is in the range of $50 plus or minus. But yeah, that's what I can afford right now, and then hopefully you guys like the options that I'm gonna be handing out. So that's one of the options that the winner can choose from. The second one is going to be Adams 16-ounce best sellers. Now this is a $40 option. Like I said, it is going to be, I'm trying to stick to 50, so I'll try to add maybe another spray bottle that's around $10-15 to this option. So yeah, just check the link in the description below, so you guys can see what else gets added to this. I still haven't looked too much through their website yet, but in the description it will say what we'll be adding to this option, which is option number 2. Option number 3, this is for all my interior guys out there that like to keep a sick interior, keep their interior nice and shiny. I am going to be the third option is going to be Adams leather and interior care kit. It's for leather and your dash and all that stuff. It comes with a spray, 2 towels, 2 pads for the conditioner and all that good stuff. So all 3 options will be down in the description below. Now the way you guys can enter for this giveaway is 1, be a subscriber. It takes a couple seconds to hit the subscribe button, so that shouldn't be too hard. The second option is, or the second step is going to be you have to like this video. So like I said, all these steps only take a couple of seconds and help me a lot. So hopefully you guys can do it. And the third one is comment down below which option you would like and your Instagram name, so that way I can contact you and then have it shipped to your house or whatever. So leave your Instagram down below in a comment, and then which option you would like. So yeah guys, that is 3 easy steps on how to enter the giveaway. Like I said, it's pretty easy stuff, for something that's going to be about $50 worth. So hopefully you guys appreciate what I'm giving back to you guys. Like I said, I appreciate you guys a lot. I wish I could give back more to every single one of you, but unfortunately I can't right now. So yeah guys, those are your options. So good luck to everybody. This is just a quick little short video announcing the giveaway and the tragic story of what happened to my scat pack. But yeah guys, nothing too serious happened to it. Like I said, hopefully we can get that done later today. But yeah guys, that's pretty much it. Short little video. Hopefully you guys do enjoy, and if you did, leave a like and subscribe so you guys can find out who the winner. One thing that I forgot to mention, the contest is going to run for about a week. So you have a week, or I have a week to let the video spread out a little bit, see how many people see it, and comment down below. And yeah, like I said, I'm gonna be choosing some random winner, and I'll be contacting you on Instagram, so stay active on your IG, and you'll get a message from me saying I'm modern day Mopar, yada yada yada. You're the winner, congratulations. So yeah guys, for a week, 3 easy steps. And yeah, hopefully you guys did enjoy this video. And yeah, that's pretty much it guys. I'm out. Peace.